ESF-3 Mission Snapshots, the Temporary Roofing Mission. The Temporary Roofing Mission is a typical ESF-3 mission that USACE can perform in support to FEMA during Stafford Act events. The scope of the Temporary Roofing Mission can be very broad and complex, from providing technical assistance to FEMA, state, and local governments, to managing, scoping, procuring, and contracting for the installation of blue plastic sheeting onto roofs of damaged homes under a full direct federal assistance temporary roofing mission. Technical assistance missions can involve a temporary roofing planning and response team, or PRT management cell, advising FEMA, state, and local governments on the potential need for temporary roofing assistance, scoping the magnitude of the mission requirements and the impacts on the affected communities, assessing the conditions and capabilities of local governments to perform temporary roof installations in their communities, and/or providing on-the-job training to the National Guard, volunteer groups, and local governments or contractors that may be involved in the execution of a roofing mission. Then there's the full direct federal assistance, or DFA, temporary roofing mission. FEMA usually tasks the Corps with a complete DFA temporary roofing mission when all other resources have been exhausted. A DFA temporary roofing mission means that the Corps is activating and managing its Advanced Contract Initiative, or ACI contract or contracts, and directing the contractor to provide supervision, labor, equipment, and materials necessary to install government-furnished plastic sheeting on private homes in support of USACE and FEMA. Of course, proper real estate instruments, including rights of entry or ROEs, must be in place prior to USACE personnel or contractors entering private property. Homeowners can sign up for the temporary roofing program and complete their ROEs online, through a USACE-managed temporary roofing call center, or in person at designated ROE sign-up centers in their communities. At least 50% of the roof rafters and decking must remain standing and be repairable after the storm event in order for a homeowner to qualify for a temporary roof. Installation typically includes the use of furring strips with nails to fasten the blue plastic sheeting to the roof. FEMA normally arranges for the procurement and shipment of the blue plastic sheeting to pre-designated staging areas. All other materials and equipment necessary to install the temporary roof is the ACI contractor's responsibility. The Corps accepts the material at the staging areas and manages the disbursement of the materials to the groups or organizations involved in the mission. In addition to Corps contractors, other groups or organizations such as the National Guard, volunteer groups, and local government contractors may be involved. The Corps has the responsibility for managing all interests involved in the execution of the temporary roofing mission. For more information on the temporary roofing mission, contact the USACE Northwestern Division, or NWD, the proponent MSC for temporary roofing.